In today's video, let me show you how to set up a Affirm account for beginners. Welcome back to this new guide video, everyone. If you're trying to create an account of Affirm, let me show you the process that you will need to follow. Now, either you can follow this process from the website of affirm.com, or you can also download the application. If you're trying to download the application, just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Affirm, and you'll be able to see the app being displayed. Once the app has been downloaded, and once you open up the application, you'll be able to see a similar interface where you'll have a section of creating your account. So in order to create your account, you'll need to enter in your mobile number and then just tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the mobile number that you just entered in. Once this first step is complete, in the next step you will need to provide your details such as your first name, your last name, your date of birth, as well as your email address. Once all of these steps are completed, Affirm will run a soft credit check to determine your eligibility, and once it is approved, you'll be able to see a personalized spending limit that you can use at participating stores. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to set up your Affirm account. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.